Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of my restoration of a very old and very dirty Alfa Romeo GT. And today, as you can see, it's time to wash it. It's insanely dirty. But in order for me to do this, I have bought a bucket of cleaning things. Very cheap at, you can see it, Biltema. It's a big Swedish kind of retail everything with cars at a very low price, and I'm thinking to use these different products. This costs about 150 Swedish crowns, that is about $15 US. And in this I have, let's see, oh, this is for the windows cleaning. And I have a very pink wax. I think that makes the car shiny afterwards. I don't know, it needs to be shiny. Look, it looks like it's an old tractor or something. We have of course a inside cleaning. You can see that because it's inside a car. And of course we have the rim cleaning. But these old rims on this is winter rims and they are so ugly and bad. But I will need to use this on the new summer rims because soon I get the new summer tires and I will put them on the beautiful big Alfa Romeo rims, and I will use this and make them sparkly. One of these, of course, sponge. Oh, this is a shampoo. But cars don't have any hair, so why a shampoo? But of course, the very instructive images tells me everything. And at the bottom of the bucket I have a very clean cloth. This bucket I will fill with water and have shampoo in it. I can't know how much shampoo is the shampoo. It says I need to have one of the caps filled with shampoo, in this filled with a lot of hot water, and I have this in the bottom. So if the very dirty things will get in the bottom of there, so the sponge don't pick up all the bad shit, and I'll scratch the whole car. Yeah, I have no running water outside either, because I have not started that yet, because it's only spring. So I will need to use and run with these and like watering the car like it's a big plant. I think it will work. It's time to go to a job. Go to work. I mean, it's time to work and go to work. Okay. Yes. So now I have the bucket. I will take the shampoo. And, as I said, one full cup. I don't know how full, but it says one. And damn. Take it to the rim. Like this. It smells like soap, I think, and coconuts, I think. One only, okay. And then we screw this on, back on. Wait, we take that and see how much water we have, if it's enough. I don't know how high I would fill it, but there is some sort of rim here. Maybe that is the water level rim, I don't know. But that should be enough. Don't you think? Yeah. We take it that is. Now, time to clean the car. Yeah. The car is so dirty now. Maybe I should just start and take these and just, I don't know, water it a little bit to try to get off the worst of all the, you see? Oh, that was not enough with the water. Okay, I need to get more water now. I don't know how much that helped, but see, I had a little bit too hot water, so not like it's steaming from the car. But it's still, you see, the dirt still stays on. See how dirty it is, even with hot water. Well, now we'll start with a sponge. And as normal is, when you do your own showering, water runs downwards, and if you have dirty water, you want to start at the top. So the dirty water flows down. You don't want to start cleaning at the bottom, because then you start moving upwards and more dirty water will run and the clean part will be dirty again. So you start from the top of the car with the shampoo. Start working it in. And of course, when you come to the window, you don't try too much to press in the water, because as you know, this is not open. Yeah, but since this is a hard top, so I don't have a frame around the window, and this rubber edge, it's not 110% proof, especially not on the passenger side where I have the bad door. So I will try when I come here not to squeeze in too much water. Yes, I will start rubbing now. Okay, now I have shampooed the whole car. Now waiting for my lovely wife to get more water. But I can already see I need to wash it again. Look, I have just moved around a lot of the dirt. So it's not enough. I need to clean it again. I wish I could have a high pressure water. I don't have it right now, so I have to do with what I have. But it's getting more clean, but I need to rinse it with water, everything, and then shampoo one more time. Okay, banzai. Okay, the car is much cleaner now, but still it's not perfect. I need to have the high pressure like a Karcher or something like that, and really take high pressure water and clean off the worst, and then do the shampoo, because I can't get it. Damn, I have a problem. Or the shampoo from Biltema is not good enough. I do not know. Or maybe it's my incompetence. But I'm happy to 90%, and let's say this is enough, and then we go over now. Oh, look, very old, ugly car. And then we go over and take the glass, the windows, and then inside also, and then try to do some interior cleaning too. The wax, we wait. I want to wait with that until I can do a real proper outside cleaning of this car, and then we do that and try that. So that will be another video. Yes, let's do window cleaning. Okay, time to do the windows. They are really dirty, as you can see. Of course, it's been running dirty water everywhere. I will take my glasrengöring, glasrens, lassin podisusa inne, or for window cleaning. Off, we have an off bottom. I can turn off, turn it to a on. Let's see what happens. Oh, very good. Let's do an even amount of this. I've taken very old black t-shirt that is too ugly, and I'm probably too fat for it now. Let's see what happens. I see I need to clean the inside too, because it's still very dirty. Is it the inside that's very dirty? Maybe. Maybe it's the inside that's really dirty. Well, we'll do it again. On the inside. Let's see what happens. Good thing. Yes, let's scratch the Alfa so I get more work on it. No, maybe yes. It was the most dirty on the inside. Why? Has it been leaking water? Yeah, I'm afraid that window has been leaking water. I need to see with this, with with the rubber. How tight it is. Maybe. Okay, this maybe is a new project. Well, I will continue cleaning all the windows. Yes, I think I am finished for today. I am not 100% pleased with the result. There is still dirt on it, and the product is, well, maybe it's good enough. But of course I start from a very dirty car, and I don't have the high pressure washer carrier system that I need, instead of doing everything by hand. And this took about 1 hour, and I have been only cleaning outside the windows, not the wheels and not the inside. But I need to come back, I think. When I have the high pressure water, I will go back and do another video and really clean it, and with the new tires, and I will do the cleaning of the interior too. But this will be it for today, I think. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy the video of my torment when I try to clean the car. So goodbye.